Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video I'm going to walk you through how to get a birthday cookie in Crumbl app on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as we know that the Crumbl cookies app lets you order gourmet cookies, view weekly flavors, customize orders on rewards and find nearby stores. You can also purchase gift cards and track your loyalty points. So to get birthday cookie in Crumbl app, you need to follow a few steps. For that, you need to make sure that you have downloaded and logged in Crumbl cookies app. You just need to sign up for the Crumbl reward program if you haven't already. So you just need to sign up from this here. Now after signing up, you just need to provide your birthday in your account settings, and on your birthday you will receive a free birthday cookie or discount depending on the current offers. So you need to just check your app for details on how they are offering birthday rewards at that time. So that's how you can get birthday cookie in Crumbl app on a device. So let me know if you need more help in our comment section below. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.